Hello bikers, welcome to Moto-Car'T DIY video on chain maintenance. Look how dirty the chain is. Using 5mm Allen key, unscrew the Allen screw securing front sprocket cover and remove the Y bolt holding the gear shifter. Pull out the front sprocket cover. Unscrew the bolts holding the chain guard. Take out the chain guard cum tire hugger. We are using a glossy chain cleaner. Start spraying the chain cleaner or degreaser. Turn the bike off. Start brushing the chain using a chain cleaning brush and rotate the tire. Make sure to brush the sprocket as well. And clean all the four sides of chain. Clean the front sprocket and the surroundings. Wipe the sprockets and chain clean. Repeat the process if required. Look how clean the sprockets and chain are. Loop the chain using a good chain lube. Shake the lube well before using it. We are using Maxima chain wax. Loop the chain and both the sprockets adequately. Wash and clean the front sprocket cover. Grease all the bolts. Replace the front sprocket cover and tighten the bolts. Grease and replace the gear shifter rod. Wash and clean the chain guard. Replace the chain guard and tighten all the screws. Now we are ready to roll.
Happy World Motorcycle Day.